Tired of making decisions based on stale Salesforce data? You know the feeling. You pull up a dashboard expecting to see the latest numbers, and instead, you're looking at data from yesterday or last week or who knows when. That can lead to some pretty bad calls in a hurry. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. In just a few seconds, I'm going to show you how to refresh your dashboard and get those real-time metrics right in front of you. No waiting around, no guesswork. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through the exact clicks, the same ones I use every day, to get your dashboard showing fresh, up-to-date information. Let's start. First, navigate to the Dashboard tab. Now, why start here? Well, this is your home base for everything dashboard related. You'll find it in the navigation bar at the top of your Salesforce screen. Just look for the tab that says Dashboards. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a moment to load if you have a lot of dashboards in your organization, so be patient with it. Once you're on the Dashboards page, you'll see a list of all the dashboards you have access to. This is where the magic starts. Now, choose the specific dashboard you want to refresh. And here's the thing. You might have several dashboards saved, so take a second to find the right one. Maybe it's your sales pipeline dashboard, or your customer support metrics, or your weekly team performance report. Whatever it is, just scroll through the list and click on the name of the dashboard you need to update. This will open it up in a new view. I've worked with a lot of Salesforce setups over the years, and this is a step people sometimes rush through. They click the wrong dashboard and then wonder why the data looks wrong. So double-check you've got the right one selected before moving on. Finally, click the Refresh button. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Look toward the top of the dashboard view and you'll see a button that says Refresh. It's usually right there in the toolbar, easy to spot. Go ahead and click it. Now, depending on how complex your dashboard is and how much data it pulls in, this might take a moment to process. Just give it a few seconds. You'll see the dashboard reload, and those numbers will update in real time. That stale data? Gone. You're now looking at the latest metrics, ready to make informed decisions. And that's it. 3 simple clicks, and you're done. From now on, whenever you feel like your dashboard is showing you old information, just remember this quick process. Dashboards tab, choose your dashboard, click Refresh. It's that straightforward. No more guessing. No more second-guessing your data. You've got the power to see what's happening right now in your Salesforce org. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy data hunting!